Welcome, family. Welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today, I am bringing you a Dollar General haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you when I bring you these deals. Oh Lord, on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. I had to go and do some things this morning. But then I said, let me swing on by my favorite. I'm not going to say my favorite. Let me swing on by my Dollar General store. Okay? Not mine particular. Just the one that I always like to go to. So I won't have to worry about no craziness or anything. Okay? So when I went in there, I was kind of looking for certain things. I had forgot that there was a coupon for the Old Spice. I was looking at this morning. I think her name is City Coupon Mom on YouTube. And I seen where she had a certain item that I didn't know. I had forgot. I seen it, but I had forgot that I had the coupon on there. Okay, so I was like, let me go over here and get this coupon for free and a little bit of overage, So what I was talking about is this Old Spice body wash, okay? The Old Spice body wash is $4.50, and there is a $5 off digital coupon. Now, if you've already clipped all your coupons, hopefully you did not clip the dollar one. I think I was looking on there. I don't know if the dollar one is just, when you buy one, or if for $1, or if you buy two for $1. Because I know I have one on my app. I have two of them. One of them I didn't clip, not on my app, but yeah, on my app. One of them I didn't clip, and then the other one I did. The $5 one I clipped, but the dollar one I'm starting to get to not clip them like I used to, because you cannot unclip Dollar General's digital coupons. Okay, you cannot do that. So I'm starting to actually look at all my coupons instead of going clipping them all, so I can get the money's worth. Okay, and so when my lower out of pocket can really be low. So like I said, this Old Spice body wash, it is $4.50. There is a $5 off digital coupon that is attaching to this and giving you 50 cents overage. It's actually free with 50 cents overage, okay? The next thing is this gain. The gain is $2, and it is the 21.6 ounce. I had this in another video that I did, so you might want to look at that video also when you get finished looking at this video. This is $2, and it's a Dollar General video. I will link it at the end of this video, so you can actually click on it and go and watch that video also for me. And give me a like, okay? On this gain is $2. And there is a $1 off digital coupon that is also attaching. Also in the PNG, I think it's the PNG, there is a $1 off manufacturer coupon. So if you don't have the digital, if you have the paper, then you can use that also for this and give you $1 off. Okay. The next thing is these Always. This is the 26 liner count, always discreet. This is $3, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. The next thing is the Swiffer Heavy Duty. Now, I got the pet because I have a dog, and my dog, she does shed. So I got even if she didn't shed, I have the Swiffer Heavy Duty pet. They have one that don't have the heavy duty pet, but you just want to always scan it. And these heavy duty ones, y'all, these little things are nice. I like those, the little Swiffer things. I really like them. But this is $4.50, and there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching. Okay. But like I said, you always want to scan your product in the store, okay? Hopefully your phone can pick up, because I know sometimes the phones act crazy when you're trying to log into your app, trying to scan everything. But you always want to try to scan it to make sure that you have that digital coupon already clipped, okay? Then the last thing is the Chic Classic. The Chic Classic is $4.50, and there is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching to this one. And then also there is another one, but I think it is a little bit more, I believe. I think it's like $5 and something. I'm thinking it had more razor attached to it that is actually attaching also. But I went ahead and picked up that one, the Classic. And I think you can get the men also. So you just have to scan it just to make sure. So after everything has been scanned, all the digital coupons that came off, my subtotal was $5.50. Y'all know, me and the $5 challenge don't get along. Either I'm going over or I'm going under. I never get just $5. So I've come with peace with it. And I'm like, okay, cool. I don't need the $5 challenge. Long as I can bring you all some deals that you all can, on the low, or when you go for Saturday with the 5 off of 25, if you just go on Saturdays, you can, put this in within your deals also, okay? So let me show you my receipt. There is the body wash for the Old Spice, the Gain, the Pet Swiffer, well, just the Swiffer. I just got the Pet one. The discreet liners, always. And then the Chic Classic razors. There's my subtotal, $5.50. Total savings is $13. And I got a 5 off of 25 for Saturday. All right. So this right here, y'all, is my Family Dollar haul. My Family Dollar haul, Lord. This is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.